me chui bora ka ti luti me ni wa dok no anena ti pe pinyo yoku
ane koma mamuru lo ane office mnene Kampala lo mi por tiang da mo don da kamera
ento ling madit ka kan
wano bienu kany machalo ke kwaro choli itetela manyen wala wirodi Richard Santo Apiere wabienu kany kaneno project enini pia konyo dano me area ni enini kika bedo mukene ya choli kany nining no neno tieni kaki puro tiang no jo matite cooperative eni gicharo tiang kagu charo tiang chene bieni chinge chene euni gati ching dano wego lim longe ikien pachi wa gen ma kelwoni local economy no tie mabe dano romo chulo lutieno gi gang kwan dano romo beru ki chame od mano piet mati tie dano romo beru ki kara ka tuo tie me chungi ye me neno ni dano no guno yot kom
wana bieno mendiang kipori gina ngoma tiga time ki project ko beru ga winyo nika ga eni giloro go dong bene tiang bene pe jemi wen petiga ti chimara neno ki wa neno fu tiga mede ki jom dori mu kena mo tio kodi mago kawayo kenya ni ti nen tiga mede mater ti dong in ko ti to gina ngoma tiga ti me achel metero project eni me ayo adari ni gicharo miming gicharo pingo nga gi mati ye
project ni machana na 2017 2018 ma eno ni pedo wate ki yomogu machalo dam kidega umin ma eni kubuwa ki no yoria ober ki meeting mapol maput project kubiro ka mago bino up to the ground in bere you are primary school mageno bino mo jaw tetto keta gele ti ukede keta tiang ti pur kwede ti robbi konyo ti dano na ba kela kela ti community ma mega pe go kwero go jolo project ni fu tiang ma design no ti ni me eka ali apawe beach ma community ti twero ingom ene ka ene ma me ne stage 15 mega ero kam ka na putie wan ma jalo biru kaka ma wala yo ngom ene wa beru pin ya wa ne agreement with the ma ba no o real as the constructor nuts as a financer ki la mo district local government mi gusta ene based on term and condition mano the one we pull out as a ke ka kwa men la no diru kaka one wacho agreement ke cooperative majala tenwa that is our business entity ngom wa kwa ni mi about cooperative don mi go signing agreement ke nat real ke la mo district local government ma agreement ne pe ka ti wa go pe signing era wan gera wan ngiu wa kwa ngom wa mi tin cooperative ya ne la ten wa cha mo ke mo wa putu ma be wa kan ngom and right now as I talk tam wa ki cooperative do kero ga giko ma ngom dong roma do du go be tin wa ko be ne no ron pi anda ke ka kwa mi ayu la ka wa tam ne wa ni agreement then we shall do it
nanen wachani daro amina ni dong bore wachi dong gendong pe mero du kan gi bere mege kena gi ka fu ya ke tikit la na ngoma wuru tikere wer wun ber fu tiang matere fu jeme mukene ma kero donye ching dano wer odo joma tika tikany to twale joma cooperative society ko lake
any other withdraw power the young mobile one come surprise when all the machineries withdrawn and more don't teach pa cooperative no be cut meno any jemo ke pero on tier da both cooperative no chane tika limping to chiki ke no ile yo
ane koma mamuru lo ane office mbele Kampala kama road nero na tene this time round andong lo mi pour tiang da mo donc me ta pa mero jam mene ma mi di ma ko na ma no bi gen pour ka ke chante chingi allo no ko koma yang dong pe with all the drama my in ke ko be report with the expectation and why this household no me to be poor ka to be in a year kan no million and no bigger be why ka dong lo ko mo no no is difficult that the bora no but jam pa wana chule in me ni wana jam ka bi wana jam ko ni and then me jam ko you can support individual solero pour former firme nyime pour former faire location and mega matia romo completamente mechanized system of farming you know machine no farm matia ke mero hectare alle tiere we beach eto hectare tiate alle tiere we bero excess by 2 acres gina kele la mo ga impact
you don't do teach me tiang you teach me farm tieni ka dong to tiang do gik no do en ben no jemen do gik kenyo but currently we have a few ma furu do ke kan pen beska do don't keep one tele make it lo make you don't gain ben the rest of this place the better on Kenya better, make all the people more Kenya matie. That's why they're here. The people okay, they're not Kenya, but take it up with mama. You keep it very much. So most of them are settled there. You take out them food when you can. That's why we gave them some, blocks more time to keep them around. And I give matie as we wait maybe for harvest. But now my boss, the first sitter. Futikalo yenye company money is willing to come very cheap.
Mono e waniang mabe ni in work mai ke alloy the members make cooperative and you allow ling ke magidema well million mia ke pia be ki bought Busoga cooperative union. Orang yang we kama no ta ko tie ma ni ra kian ani ka ko do kana bila kan iti mo ni
Chanda eno ni awe ni kibo Busoga union ma eno ni kimi ma tala subsidy ti berno ki quanti we chanda no mi no chul ki member value dale cooperative. There are only Busoga booming sitting around 100 million 70 something. And then Romo Kubeki Francis, there were the detailed information concerning that Banya Helmet here. Mapo Bera, we need to court committee. Peggy Dora, you and Lana, Erotic Doro, UDC. Yes, thing I'll get that when you chant like kids, we chant about your woman, we told you a lot, which will look corporate union, meaning Busoga. Pekan.
Busoga your dog.
Busoga Doro, UDC.
Game good there, like UDC, Busoga Cooperative Union, a good there, Mape Cooperative, Makanya.
Cooperative. Okay.
Utemo yenyo kampuni mogo medlo kergi chal bukatate mayam gin furu tiang madongo bedo kinyala ki kampuni mo kena mapat man ngeyo lokum tiang utemo lo kergi gonyo
One time lo ke company magroni Sen Jojo ke rewinyo yale ne ka wayne guber ka welo ti anke kan
kenju go
Sen Jojo ma pin chane geno nyoro interest no bene ke wayane gen tam ge te ne ne bi kat chuma sidon report mo ma wano report ni wa complete etie tam wadong tiene any potential investor man ye ticket waka chel ten wanano ne gin madong panyo chanta wenge kumtiang patiang ke kan me chelo this time
ngo mo ken ma talo tin ne kai mo we ho ta bi en no ke ma pat e no ne kom tiang ana no gid ma nyu ti en i ngo mo ken ma no ken kalau mo ni ono ko ko bi ngo mo ken ma do ba fi ya sama nim do ni ti e ko be di ma che ken
waramo me de kitiang beno waramo yer ko di ma kan no ram fu ma o ngene ka wa ko o cha no no chanta tre ne na ara ne project mi tiang be kai nan wa no ngat ma kwiri ma biro ti twin me konyo community konyo chudi
warange kit gina ngo konyario konya ngo magiro mi ne yu wer ologun uchakti kita jui kenono tiga tikireni
project il furon che kai nan wa no a potential investor mai nano wa investor ma biro ne pero wa patik ti ange kan me chero wa ya patik kan ju che wa busoga patik ani ku ke factor dai pero project ne ti ange ne kati kan ma chuma dong ti kan temo dong jam ma duong kero ling no iting da ma duong mi a chelo no teno wa mi la mo nyu a choli duju ko ni kwan nyu be kwan wa ni no one of them no mean and me the livelihood but down a level which but community they are positive toward this development sugarcane any development the mama and man contaminate on they are very positive we thinking on that's I'm the question